we are going to learn addition and subtraction mix problems. This is part of chapter number 9, word problems, addition and subtraction. In these examples, we have to do addition and subtraction. Therefore, first we read these examples carefully and then solve. Now see first example. There are 42,306 trees in a forest. Of these, 23,479 are teak trees and 16,675 are subabul trees. How many other trees are there in a forest? Now, in this example, we have given total number of trees in forest. Then we have to given uh, teak trees and subabul trees, and we have to calculate the other trees in the forest. Now, how we can solve this example? See, in this example, first what is asked? Here the number of other trees. We have to ask here number of other trees. Now second point, what information is given in this example? We have to given total trees 42,306. Then teak trees, how many teak trees? 23,479. And subabul trees 16,675. Third, text third, what will you do first? In this example, we have to first add teak and subabul trees. Then fourth step, what will you do next? After this, we have to subtract this sum, this teak trees and subabul trees addition or sum from the total number of trees. This sum we have to subtract from the total number of trees. Now first we add 23,479 plus 16,675. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1, write down here. 7 plus 7, 14 and carry 1, 15. Write down, carry again 1 here. Now 1, 4, 6, 11. Write down 1 here and carry 1. 1, 3, 6, 10. Carry 1, write down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 4 here. Means if we add teak trees and subabul trees, we get 40,154. Now we have to subtract this sum from the total number of trees. Total number of trees are 42,306 minus 40,154. 6 minus 4, 2. 0 minus 5, this is possible not. 0 is a small and this is a big. Therefore, we can borrow from this hundreds. Here 300, we can borrow 100. How many hundreds remaining here? 2. Then here we get 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Means there are 2,152 other trees in a forest. Understood? Here first we add these 2 trees and then subtract these trees from the total number of trees, and then we get the other trees in the forest. Now we solve exercise on this. First example, Rohan spent rupees 27,658 for purchasing computers and 16,478 on a printer and scanner. Packing and transporting the goods cost extra. Rohan spent a total of rupees 47,000. How much did he spend on packing and transport? In this example, we have to calculate the money spent on packing and transporting. Therefore, first we can solve this example step by step. First step, what is asked? We have to ask cost of packing and transporting. Now what information is given? we have to given purchasing cost of computer 27,658, purchasing cost of printer and scanner 16,478. Rohan spent total, we have to get given here total spent money by Rohan 47,000. Then what will you do first? We add first cost of computer and cost of printer and scanner. We add this first. Then 8 plus 8 16, carry 1. Now 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 7 13, carry 1. See 1 6 4 11, write down carry 1 here. Again 1 7 6 14, carry 1 and 4, means the cost of computer and printer and scanner is 44,136. Now next step is, what will you do next? Subtract the sum from the total spent rupees. Total spent rupees is 47,000 and we subtract this sum 44,136. Now here this is 0 0 0, therefore we can borrow from here. We get here 6, we get 10. Again we can borrow from this 10, here 9. We can again borrow this from here, get 10. Now 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 1 8, 6 minus 4 2, 4 minus 4 0, means cost of packing and transporting is cost of packing and transporting is 2,864. Understood? Now see the next example. In a nursery, there were 32,140 saplings. 12,789 were mango saplings and 10,423 were teak saplings. How many other saplings were there? Now first we have to write down given, what is given in this example. We have to given total saplings. How many total saplings? 32,140. Mango saplings 12,789. Teak saplings 10,423. And what we have to ask here in this example, we have to calculate the other saplings. Then first step, add mango sapling and teak saplings. Then here mango saplings and this teak saplings, we have to add this. 9 plus 3 12, carry 1. 8 plus 2 10 and 1 11, again carry 1. 12, carry 1, means total mango saplings and teak saplings 23,212. Now we subtract this sum from the total saplings 23,212. We subtract this sum from this total saplings. Now this is 0, therefore we can borrow from here. We get here 3 and here we get 10. Now 10 minus 2 8, 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus, this is 1, this is 2, therefore we can borrow from here. Here we get 1 and here 11. Now 11 minus 2 9, 1 minus 3, this is possible not, therefore we can borrow from here. Here we get 11. Now 11 minus 3 11 minus 3 8, means 8,928. Other saplings were 8,920 8. Now see the next example. Third, the sitting capacity of playground is 20,750. If there were 8,500 women and 11,200 men present for a function, how many seats remain vacant? Now, in this example, first we write what is given. The capacity of playground is 20,750. Number of women 8,500. Number of men 11,200. And what is asked here? How many seats vacant? How many seats are vacant in the playground? Now, first we add the women and men in the playground. 8,500 plus 11,200. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 1, 9 and 1. Now subtract this sum from the total capacity of playground. What is total capacity of playground? 20,750. Now we can subtract this 9,700 from this. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 7, 0. Now 0 minus 9, this is not possible. We can borrow from this 2 here. Now 10 minus 9, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. Means 1,050 seats remained vacant. Understood? 1,050 seats remain vacant. Now see the next example. Fourth, Rambhav had 15,000 rupees. He bought fodder worth rupees 8,570 and other animal feed worth rupees 4,950. How much money did he have left? Now first we write down here given. Rambhav had rupees 15,000. Fodder worth rupees 8,570. Other animal feed worth 4,950. What is asked in this example? How much money left? How much money left? Then we first add fodder worth and other animal feed worth. Fodder worth is 8,570 and other animal feed worth is 4,950. Now we add this. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1. Now this 1 plus 5 plus 9, 15. Carry 1. 8 and 4, 12 and carry 1, 13. Means we'll 13,520. Now subtract this sum. Subtract this sum from total money. Total money is 15,000. And we have to subtract 13,520. Now 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 2. Here also 0. Therefore we can borrow from here. Here we get 4, 10, 9, here 10. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Means Rambhav have left 1,480 rupees. Now see the next example. Lalita Ben donate rupees 75,000 to a hospital. Rupees 47,500 were used for equipment and rupees 18,240 were used for medicines. How much money still remains? Now here in this example we have to ask how money left. How much money left? Now first we write down here given. What is given in this example? Total money rupees 75,000 rupees. Money for equipment 47,500 rupees. Money used for medicines rupees 80,240. Now we have to ask here how much money remain. First, we add money used for equipment and medicines. This is cost of equipment and this is money used for medicines. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, carry 1. Now the addition is 65,740. Now subtract this sum. Subtract this sum from the total money. Total money is 75,000. Now 65,740. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 we can borrow from here. Here left, here 4. Here 10. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. Now this 4 is small and 5 is big, therefore you can borrow from here. We get 14. 14 minus 5, how many remaining? 14 minus 5, 9. Now still remains 9,260 rupees. Okay, thank you for watching the video.